I did. I use this prompt. This prompt. Can you see? Make a cartoon music art cover prompt of Nwanyoma Oluchi. The title of my song is Nwanyoma Oluchi. So I use this prompt. You say yes, a cartoon music art cover prompt of Nwanyoma. You understand? Then after I did that, he now generated this prompt for me. This image prompt. So you can use this image prompt and generate music image. I will show you the image that I generated using this image prompt. Then I put landscape. I come again, I say make a music art cover prompt of Nwanyoma Oluchi song by Emalos. Are you getting it? Then he gave me the prompt here. Can you see? This is the prompt. This is the whole prompt. This is the whole prompt. So I copy this prompt. I copied this. I will show you how I did it. I copied this prompt like this. You put select. I copy the prompt like this. Like this. I copy it. But before I do that one, look at the one ChatGPT gave me, because he now say, would you like me to generate the image now? Because after he generated the prompt for me, look at, after he generated the prompt for me, are you getting it? Then he now asks, would you like me to generate the image now? Then I reply, yes. He now gave me this beautiful image. Can you see? Let me view so that you see it. See it? Can you see? He even added my own name there, which is Emalos. So instead of you wasting your time going to Canva to design your hardcover, or looking for graphic designer to design a professional hardcover for you for your music promotion, you can also use this ChatGPT to what? To design your own music image, that is your own art cover, that is your own music album cover. Now let me quickly show you the other image I generated using Google FS. Let me show you the image. Now this is the image. This is the image I generated using Google FS. It's also okay, nice and beautiful, but I still prefer the ChatGPT image. Okay, now let me quickly show you how I go to Google. I use the Chrome browser. Then I type Google FS. Google FS image. Google FS image. I click enter. Then this thing, you click at it. When you click at it, then you now paste the prompt you copy. You can use your email. You use your email, any of this email. Are you getting it? Now, the prompt I copy from ChatGPT, you now paste it here. You paste the prompt here. Can you see? You can just add some little this thing. Look at the prompt. You understand? Look at the prompt. So when you can still add something again, you now click at this place generate. Once you click it, then you notice that the image will now what? Will now generate for you. Okay, so this is what I normally use in creating most of my African folk tale. You can see now. You see how beautiful it is. Can you see? Can you see? The same one I showed you. Can you see? Can you see? You can, if you don't even like, if you don't even, if see, can you see? Can you see? Wonderful. Can you see? Beautiful. Different kind of images you can even use for your music art. You don't even need to give your art cover to what to you don't even need to hire graphic designer. Okay, you don't need to hire a graphic designer to design a art cover for you. With this, you can be able to design a professional art cover for yourself. Can you see? A professional art cover for your music. Then once you finish getting the design, you just click at this download button to download your what? Your image. And if you don't like it, you can regenerate you can regenerate it again. By clicking this again, it will generate again for you. Okay, so this is the best way you can actually design the art cover for yourself. Okay, if you really want your, like, you want a realistic, when I say realistic, you want a cartoon art cover that looks exactly like you, then you can just like still go to ChatGPT. Maybe in our next video I will make video on how to do that, a cartoon video that will look like you. Okay, you can just go to ChatGPT and you just upload your image, the image of what? Of your real image. When you upload it, you just ask ChatGPT to generate a cartoon image of the image you just uploaded. Once you do that, ChatGPT will give you an exact cartoon image of your real self. I hope this video helped. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe. Please subscribe, because in this channel I will be uploading and giving you tips on how to make money online. I'll be giving you tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. I'll be giving you tips on how to go viral as an artist, how you can distribute your song, how you can go viral as an artist. Okay, like how to become a successful musician, just like Davido, Wizkid, Olamide, Don Jazzy. How to become a successful musician. So, and also I'll also be giving tips on how you can promote your business online. So I hope this video helped. Thank you very much.